What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kickz. We're back for another video. Got the homie here, Tony from 210 Got Kickz. Man, we're checking out a few spots. Citadel, you know we gotta check them out. I had to show him the Citadel because they usually got more stuff than most spots. Let's go check it out. All right, surprised it's not like too packed today. Not too shabby. All right. Airmore up tempos. Never see these at the outlets. Rarely ever see these. 11.5. Get these for. To be able to get these for 20% off, that is pretty dope. I think these are the 170 ones. Or is this the 160? I think this is 160 now I think about it, actually. But yeah, 160 to get the 20% off. 11.5. Okay. These looks like these made it to the back wall. Remember, this used to be on the shelves. I showed this to you guys. I don't know if I think I forgot to post it on Instagram. My bad, you guys. But yeah, it even comes with the receipt. Oh, this is a gift receipt. That's funny. So you could probably take this up there and say, hey, I just returned it. I'll help them by throwing this away. I'll help them out. I'll just throw it right there. Seen a ton of these lately. The Go Fly E's going for $120. That's the size 9.5. CMFTs, the Jordan 11 Comfort size 9 go for $120. Another pair go for $120. These are both size 9.5. Oh, these PGs also made it to the back wall too. We saw these in the aisles. What, last week, right? Last week. Yeah, man, that's crazy. Actually, that wasn't last week. That was just, what, 4 days ago? $70. That is size 6. They had up to size 8.5, I think, last time I was here. Dude got some NYC Air Force Mids. Okay, you know, got the gum. Can't go wrong with the gum. Also got a 6. Oh, this is what's his name? Why am I forgetting that fool's name? Is this Derek Jeter one? I don't know. I don't really do baseball. Oh no, that's the area code, huh? Okay. Going for 95. That is a quick strike. Damn, I used to be able to find all kinds of dope stuff here. Maybe I'm just coming here too late. $40 for these. That's a hell of a deal. Not get free trail runs. We just see this on the aisles earlier, or what was it, like 4 or 5 days ago last time I came. Okay. Air Max 2017s go for $165. That's the size 8. Mid jumbos, Blazer mid jumbos go for $110. That's size 9. Still got these LeBrons here. Oh, this is Soldier. I was like, what? I would play dumb, try to see if you get it for that price. I would try. $120. Usually I think those are $159 plus a discount. More of these PGs. This is size 5, going for $70, get the discount. And then yeah, it's $190. Oh no, we saw it for cheaper. I don't know if that's $190, but we saw it for cheaper last week. Dornbeckers, seeing Dornbeckers here. LeBron Dornbeckers, wow. That's definitely the most interesting find of the day so far. Comes with a tag. Sam David, apparently that's the kid who made it. That's actually really dope. Comes with the extra laces right here. Should have the gold ingots. Come on now, man. Seriously? Is it the aglets? I don't know. But yeah, that's actually the dopest find we've seen. This is size 8.5. To be able to get these for 20% off, that's crazy. I think that might be the best find of the day. That's the thumbnail, I think, right there. Bam, 20% off. We got one of these in the size 8. To be able to get this for 20% off, that's pretty dope. Detail on it, if this is your thing, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? That's a pretty dope find. Not really my thing, though. Box is actually pretty dope on this, too, though. Dope. You get half a box. How much these center cords going for? $135. Damn, at least you get 20 off. Got some Shane O'Neill Nike SBs right here. Premium size 7 go for $85. All right, maybe a little bit crowded. All right, let's check out the bigger section. All right, some kid just found some Zoom Freaks for like $25, size 11. That was probably the steal of the day. Dornbecker, I think, is the dopest find, but that might be the steal of the day. If he doesn't take him, I'm gonna look at him. But yeah, I got these Air Max 90s. $130 for these. Okay, that's retail game. 12.5 Metcons. These are going for $75. They got these too. They got these $37.99. Oh, the kid did take the Zoom Freak 3s. That's the same colorway that I bought, what, 2 weeks ago? Yeah, they're down to 25, size 11. But yeah, I do got these Air Max 2017s going for 165. That's what's up. What are these? These aren't the Air Max. These are the Air Max BW. Size 13, retail though. And they don't even fit. You should just leave it there. Just stay there. Nothing crazy in the big section. Create impacts. They're trying to get retail for these, size 14. Air Max Genomes 130. These are size 9.5. This is huge. Size 14, 165 for these Pegasus Flyes. That's just too much. The Pulse, the nurse's shoe, go for 20 bucks. Size 15. Size 13, Phantom React Flyknit, go for $80. Wait, I forgot this section right here. Size 14. Do got some more Dornbeckers. These are the Janowskis right here. The Cure is in our jeans. Okay. Got the DNA strands right there. Those of you guys that don't know, Dornbecker is, I think it's not a specific hospital. I think it's a wing of a hospital out in Oregon, and they have a program where they let the kids design sneakers. And yeah, they come out once a year. They skipped 2020 and 2020. They skipped 1 or 2 years. But yeah, man, that's dope. That's dope. Let's get this 20% off. Janowski, they just run hella thin, so I can't wear them. Even if this was my size, I can wear them. Dude got a Swingman jersey. Jimmy Butler's. Look at that price. $40. I'm pretty sure you do get 20% off of this too. That's not bad. Wow, this is a size large too. That's fire, dude. That's fire. Double XL. Pretty much. Oh yeah, it's all double XL. 30 bucks for this, not bad. Of course, we got Kawhis, and these are going for 110. Jimmy Butler's cheaper than Kawhi, really? That's surprising. That's an XL. All right, check some of the clearance section on the clothing. Let's check out some of the aisles. Vapor Max Next Percent, Alpha Fly Next Percent right here. I think it's the same price as last time. Guess I'm starting in the running section. Invincible Run Flyknits, Infinity Run Flyknits. I don't think there's any of this stuff has changed. I think I came here 4 or 5 days ago. React Milers right here. Another one of those. Pegasus 38. Another one of those. 37s. Yeah, I think all this stuff is the same. One last Pegasus right here. Then we are at the Air Max 2017s. All the free run trails. Still got these here now. Crater Impacts. Jesus sandals. Remember, these were freaking 15 bucks at Foot Locker right now. Gotta shop around. Witness 5s. Another one of those. Gotta be all close to my speaker because speaker's right above us. Oh, the Legacy 312 lows. I was just talking about how we haven't seen these in too many spots. I don't think we saw these last week, did we? But yeah, this is going for retail. Is it 140? I didn't think it was that expensive. But I can't even tell because they don't have the MSRP on here anymore, remember? What the F is this? Air NFH? What the F? Should be Air What the F. That's what it should be. Still got the trio of Zions. Another one of those. And then the third one right here. That's pretty much about it. Find anything crazy, Tony?
Looking around.
Not much. What's up? You're not into Carson Wentz? And that's a kid's. That's like the smallest one too. Not into. Oh yeah, he's a Dallas fan. Duh. I'm stupid. But yeah, I got these Jordan shirts right here. These are going for what? 18 bucks. Do you get 20% off all the clearance apparel? Zion hoodies. $80 retail? What? Really? That's like a double XL or something. Man, a lot of the prices here not. Remember we saw stuff for hella cheap. Bought a couple t-shirts here a few days ago. Oh, maybe that was a couple weeks ago. All right. Prices definitely have changed. Do get 20% off though. Do see the penny stuff. These are pretty dope. The penny hoodies going for 60, number 85. All right, not finding too much stuff. Kind of underwhelming. I was like, damn, I was hoping to show Tony some heat, but nothing too crazy.
Good though.
Too crazy. All right, let's head out. He's not used to seeing like 18 different Nike shops and Nike like.
Drive like
he has
2 hours, 45 minutes to get to mine, and then 2 hours to get to the next.
Yeah, he literally has to drive like half the state to get to the next outlet. So all right, let's go check out some more stuff. All right, guys, that was the Nike outlet Citadel. That was earlier this week. I heard when you guys watched this, I heard yesterday morning or today morning for myself. I did hear that they had heat there this morning. That was kind of dope. But you know, when I went, didn't have the craziest stuff. They did have those Dornbeckers, those LeBron Dornbeckers. If they had my size, I would have thought about it. The Dornbecker Janowskis, the ones that kind of look like the Vans, not a huge fan of those. Even if they had those at my size, I don't think I'd be able to get those, just because that silhouette just doesn't fit too well on my feet. But I don't know, I'm a fan of the Dornbeckers. I wasn't a huge fan of this year's colorways and stuff like that, designs, but yeah, the Blazers and the LeBrons, I think those were definitely the best in my opinion. But yeah, not bad, not bad. I hope you guys are out and about this weekend. I heard that some of the Nike outlets had 30% off the hash wall. That's pretty freaking fire. That 10% off makes a significant difference on some of these pairs. You know, if you're paying $200 for a pair, that's an extra $20 off in savings. That's freaking fire. Still hearing that some of you guys are finding Jordan Retros at the Nike outlets, which is freaking dope, especially if you're able to get that 30% off. That is fire. And yeah, like, if you can find some, pretty dope. Hope you guys are out and about. Hope you guys are finding some dope stuff. And it's a good time for collectors, you know, able to find some dope stuff at the Nike outlets and save some dough. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Definitely appreciate y'all making it to the very end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help your boy out. Press that like button. And if you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button, man. Been posting a ton of videos. A lot of y'all have been watching and stuff. So yeah, make sure you guys press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell, because y'all know I do drop tons and tons of videos. And my goal is to drop a video every morning. So yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.